Lyco's Raging Bull provides reliable high-volume peeling and is whisper quiet, as its full-length augers peel, scrub, or wash your product. Product moves into the machine using a gravity chute, and Raging Bull has an electric drive with balance rolls. Roll speeds are from 800 to 1,000 revolutions per minute, and both the roll and auger speeds are controlled by precise auger and roll speed control knobs. Raging Bull's two-way flip cover allows for easy access for cleaning, and its full-length auger improves recovery by 1.8 to 2.8%. The high-capacity scrubber can reach 40,000 to 50,000 pounds per hour. Raging Bull's unique design also allows for fast and easy roll changeout. Raging Bull can be used for after-steam peeling or standalone raw peeling, and is ideal for white potatoes, sweet potatoes, carrots, beets, and onions. Lyco Manufacturing, the experts in innovative food processing machinery.